Mangal Mathematics students, today we start inverse trigonometry. There is some tan inverse 1 plus x minus under root 1 minus x over under root 1 plus x plus under root 1 minus x. For solving this type of question, we have to put x equal to cos 2 theta. So we put cos 2 theta here, we get 1 plus 2 cos theta, again minus 1 minus cos 2 theta upon 1 plus 2 cos theta plus 1 minus cos 2 theta. We know the formula of cos 2 theta. What is the formula of cos 2 theta? That will be 2 cos square theta minus 1 and 1 minus 2 sin square theta. There is two formula. Actually there is three formula, but we are using the two formulas here. First one is 2 cos square theta minus 1 and second is 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So if we put here 2 cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1, then minus 1 and plus 1 will be cancel out and the remaining term will be cos square theta. And what will be the under root of cos square theta? It will be cos theta. Similarly, in this we apply the second formula, 1 minus 2 sin square theta. 1 and 1 cancel out and sin square theta under root becomes sin theta. Similarly, in the denominator, we get cos theta plus sin theta. So this is our final result, tan inverse cos theta minus sin theta upon cos theta plus sin theta. Now in the second step, we have to make the tan. For making tan, we have to divide each term by cos theta. If we divide it by cos theta, then it will becomes 1. And if we divide sin theta upon cos theta, we get tan theta. Similarly, in the denominator, we get 1 plus tan theta. It means our entire question now change into tan theta. So again, we can write 1 is the value of tan pi by 4 because tan pi by 4 is tan 45 degree. So we put 1 here tan pi by 4. Similarly, in the denominator, we again put here pi by 4 here because we can write 1 multiply tan theta. So there is another formula which is the tan A minus B upon 1 plus tan A tan B. So we can write tan A minus B and tan inverse is cancel out here and the remaining term will be pi by 4 minus theta. Now we put the value of theta here 1 by 2 cos inverse x. So the complete answer will be pi by 4 minus 1 by 2 cos inverse x. Mangal Mathematics students, now let's see the another sum. The question is cos tan inverse x equal to sin cot inverse 3 by 4. Firstly, you see in this type of question there is two trigonometric ratio is given. Firstly is sin cos, second one is tan. Here is sin and cot. So firstly you have to convert tan inverse into cos inverse and cot inverse into sin inverse. Why we are doing so? Because if we convert tan inverse into cos inverse, then cos and cos inverse will be cancelled out here. Similarly, if we convert cot inverse into sin inverse, then sin and sin inverse will be cancelled out here. So we start, firstly we see that tan inverse x. So we can write in this manner, we can change tan inverse x into cos inverse and value will be 1 upon under root 1 plus x square. You can see tan inverse x means perpendicular upon hypotenuse is given. That will be the hypotenuse 1 plus x square. And we know the formula of cos theta will be base upon hypotenuse. So we just write here base upon hypotenuse here. Okay. Now in this part we see the cot inverse is given 3 by 4. It means again we make the triangle here cot 3 by 4. And what is the formula of cot? Base upon perpendicular. So this will be the base perpendicular and this will be our hypotenuse. And what is the formula of sin theta? So sin theta will be perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So we can write in this manner cot inverse 3 by 4 change into sin inverse 3 by 5, 4 by 5. Now cos and cos inverse is cancelled out here. The remaining term will become 1 upon under root 1 plus x square. Similarly, sine and sine inverse is also cancelled out here, and the remaining term will be 4 upon 5. Now, for solving this type of equation, we just squaring both sides. We get 1 upon 1 plus x square equal to 16 upon 25. Now cross multiply it. We get 16 plus 16x square equal to 25. And solving, we get x equal to plus minus 3 by 4. Thank you. Have a nice day.